Hey guys, thank you for watching another episode of Sun City Taste. Today we're going to be making birria tacos, but I'm going to make it a little bit my own. So normally they use carne de borrego, which is lamb meat in English, but today I'm just going to use regular beef that I had in my freezer just because I don't want to go out and look for it. Also, another thing that I'm going to make in my own is the way that I make my tacos. So on the videos that I've seen, they dip the tortilla on the sauce or consomme, and then they put it on the grill, and they put the carne and the queso. The only difference that I'm doing is I'm gonna put a little bit of the sauce in the comal with my olive oil, and then I'll throw in my tortilla. Just to make the tacos a little bit lighter. Hopefully you guys like it. If you do, let me know on the comments below. And we're also making a little salad just to make it a little bit lighter on the meal. So keep watching. We'll see you guys in a little bit. So along with our tacos, we're gonna be making a tomato cucumber salad. So obviously we're gonna use tomato, 1 cucumber, half a cup to a cup of mushroom, half a purple onion, and a bunch of cilantro, more or less, and your Italian dressing. So let's cut it up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, that's our salad. Okay guys, so now we're gonna make our red salsa. I know typically for the birria tacos, you're supposed to add, well, from what I've seen on the YouTube videos, different types of chile colorado, but because of my heartburn, I'm gonna make it my own and just add 2 different types with a tomato, a small onion. I'm gonna add salt, cominos, and your what is this, your tomate, sabor de tomate, into my blender, and then we'll mix it and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I saw that my sauce is a little thick, so I'm just gonna add 1 cup of water and we'll mix it again. Okay guys, so I ended up adding 2.5 cups of water, extra water into my sauce, and now we're gonna go ahead and strain it, just because you don't want to have the seeds in there, okay? Okay, let me get my stuff ready. And you shouldn't have a lot, guys. You shouldn't have a lot of seeds, but I mean, I don't know if it's true or not, but I heard from somebody that the seeds can cause heartburn too. So, and it's always good to always take it out, you know. It's a process, you know, because you gotta pour some in, drain it, and then pour more in. But at the end, it's all gonna be worth it. Okay, guys, so we're done with our salsa, well, with the sauce. Let's give it a try. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get our carne ready, which it's been cooking on the pressure cooker for 2.5 hours. I added bay leaves, maybe about 5, seasoning salt, comino, and regular salt. So let's get it open. Won't you guys get a little closer? Look at that beauty. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah. Now, do you guys see how it's falling apart? That's why I like using my pressure cooker versus my crock pot. One, because it's faster, 2.5 hours compared to 8 hours maybe on the crock pot. And so yeah, go get one. Okay guys, so we're gonna move it into a cleaned pot, and I'm gonna show you guys right now that we're gonna mix it in with our sauce, okay? And I'll put it on the description box what type of meat and the chiles that I ended up using for you guys. Just be careful because this is hot. Let's go ahead and check this one out. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna shred our carne, but before that, let's add a little bit of the sauce, okay? So I'm just gonna add a little bit. It's better to do it little by little, guys, versus all at once and for you to be like, oh, I put too much. Now, don't forget, don't throw the juice away from the carnita because we're gonna add a little bit, okay? So let's go over here. It's just a little bit. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Okay. Okay. And let's shred it. Look how easy it is with the pressure cooker, guys. It completely falls apart by itself. Now, as you're shredding and you're looking at your meat, if you want to add a little bit more of the sauce, the red sauce, you can, okay? Let me just see. You know what, I think, yeah, let's add a little bit more of the red sauce. It's just a little bit. Because remember, the leftover of the sauce, it's also going to be like your, what do they call it, your dipping sauce. So if you want to have more of that flavor, you're gonna add it at the end, you know. You don't want to drench your meat with it. Okay guys, so I have everything ready. Next step is to take everything outside and cook on the grill. cloudy weather, no problem. I actually enjoy this much more than sunny, being sunny. Okay, so we have our grill. It's been warming up for us for about 5 minutes. We're gonna get started on our tacos. So the first thing you're gonna do is put your olive oil down. Okay. And we're gonna throw in a little bit of the red sauce, just to kind of give the tortilla that reddish color, okay? It's just a little bit. Ooh, that's hot. Let's mix that with the oil. Okay, so let's throw in our tortillas in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more, guys. And 7. Let's throw in our meat in there. Oh my God, my mouth is already watering. Se me hace agua la boca nomás de oler y de ver la comida. These are gonna cook super fast, guys, okay? I don't put a lot of meat just because I don't like the tacos to be like overwhelming with meat, okay? Now you can't forget the cheese. And it's just monster cheese, guys. Or, I mean, if you want to use a different cheese, go for it. Ugh. I feel very, what do you call it? We're gonna close them up, guys. We're gonna press down on it a little bit. When you guys cook, do you guys like cooking where everything is just like clean and like organized? Cause that bugs me a lot. Like to see that little bit of a mess. I don't know, guys. I like to be organized. Okay, don't forget to press down, okay? I don't know how to say it in, I mean, I think the correct word is to fry them, but in Spanish is los vas a dorar, okay? Let me just throw in a little bit of oil in there. And it actually feels kind of like the perfect weather for, no, it feels, oh yeah, the perfect time, or tacos feel good for the weather right now. I don't know. Have you guys had birria tacos before? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, we're almost done, guys. Let's press down on it a little bit more. We want that crispiness, okay? And that's all, you just gotta wait for the tortilla to be ready and basically you're done. You are? Okay, guys. Oh, did you guys, oh, I think you guys missed the cheese, the string of the cheese. It was perfect. Okay, guys. This is what you want to get out of your tacos. Okay, so let's take them out. Let me get my plate. excited. Just want to come home. Okay, there you have it. Okay guys, so you can't have tacos without a beer. So I'm gonna get my chingada. I'm gonna get it ready before I start eating my tacos. That sound is just heaven to me. Okay, so let's get our tacos ready. Now, the reason I'm using my napkins, guys, is so I don't burn my hands, okay? And estamos en familia, so I'm gonna use my fingers to get the radish, onion, and the cilantro, okay? But I mean, obviously, if you have like a party going on, use forks and spoons, okay? But I know my family's not gonna care. I'm in such a hurry that I'm losing everything, dropping everything. Okay, so cebollita. Now, you guys don't have to add this. I mean, make up to your taste, okay? Okay, that's good. Let's add our limon. Now, guys, I know some people like to dip the taco into the sauce, or I've seen videos where people like to spread it on top, okay? But for today's video, I'm just gonna dip. That was hot, guys. Okay. So, de mi casa a su casa. Well guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Provecho.